Welcome to Domains on Tap, featuring unusual .com names that people buy in a day. The Magic Man, who isn't good at magic.
And now, I'm gonna make whatever's in your hand disappear.
Strange sounds from beyond. Congrats, you're pregnant.
Babe, I'm pregnant.
No, you're not.
Unsubscribe from the cubicle. Girl's Guide to the Unavailable Man.
Right, this is an official police ID.
The Responsible Hedonist.
They're flavored, but I don't think you're going to be putting it in your mouth. But when you put it on the grill...
Karaoke soundtrack of my life. Like nobody is watching.
Hope you enjoyed watching. Domains on Tap is brand new, and we ask for your help. Please share our video with family and friends and be a part in helping us grow. Thanks again, and have a wonderful day.